Hello, this is Perky Mama. I received the laundry bag set from Poliyu. There are 6 bags in this set you can use to wash in or travel with. As you can see, there's a laundry bag for the bras, and she'll demonstrate how it zips and unzips. They zip very smoothly. Thank you. Okay. And there is a laundry bag for underwear, and there's a laundry bag for your lingerie. And then if you have larger things like your shirts and you want to keep separate, and your pants and dresses, you can put them in here. There's a small one, a medium-sized one, and a large one, and they come in a pretty pink color, so you don't lose them. And it's a nice mesh like this, very thick. It does have a sticker that comes with it here, and you can stick it on your washing machine, and it warns you to remember not to put any sharp items in the washing machine, and to only fill it 2/3 capacity in the wash bag so that things get clean and can move around and circulate with the water and the soap. So these are very nice bags, very well made, and have cute designs on them. Thank you.
We can turn it TV up.